Hello Dal lovers. Today I am sharing Daal Mash recipe. I know you'll love it. Soak 400 grams Daal Mash for 3 hours. Pour into cooking pan. Add 1 liter water along with 1 taizpaat, average piece of cinnamon, 1 black cardamom, 1 teaspoon black pepper whole, 14 to 15 round red chili pieces, 5 clove pieces, and half a teaspoon turmeric powder. Cook at medium flame till dal is 80% tender. Heat 3-4 cup cooking oil at medium flame. Add 1 teaspoon zeera whole, and after 1 minute, add 7 chopped garlic cloves and fry till it changes its color. Add 1 tablespoon chopped ginger. Stir for 30 seconds and then add 2 onions of dice cut. Fry and add 1 tablespoon salt, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon crushed chili, half a teaspoon red chili powder. Now, prepare fresh puree of 3 tomatoes and add this to frying onions. Cover the pan and let it cook for 5 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half a teaspoon zeera powder. Mix and fry all these till onion gets soft and pulpy. Add 4 hard-boiled eggs, peeled, and fry for 1 to 2 minutes with masala so that the flavor of spices may soak into these eggs. As the masala is being fried, keep mashing, converting into a paste-like. After 2 to 3 minutes of roasting, remove eggs from the pan. Add boiled dal into the masala paste. Mix thoroughly. Add 1 tablespoon chopped green leaves and ginger. One teaspoon kasuri methi, half a teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix and add 1 cup water. Cover the pan and cook at low flame for 5 minutes. Delicious Daal Maash is ready. Decorate with pieces of boiled eggs, ginger slices, green chilies, and serve. If you found this recipe useful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tasty Pakistani recipes.